So in the previous segment, we said that the kidney's main role is to filter blood. They clear the body from metabolic waste products, toxins, and excess substances like water and electrolytes, all of which are excreted as urine. So they have to detoxify the body and maintain fluid balance and control and regulate the blood pressure. We also said that the acute kidney disease occurs when the kidney function declines over an acute period of days to weeks, less than 3 months, basically. And because of the decline in kidney function, urine production decreases. And this is a condition medically referred to as oliguria. Reduced urine production increases the metabolic wastes and toxins in the blood. And one of them is creatinine, which is used as an indicator of kidney function. Another metabolic waste, commonly measured, is the blood urea nitrogen levels. Blood urea nitrogen, or BUN for short, is a byproduct of protein and amino acid metabolism. So impaired kidney function also results in elevated BUN levels. Instead of being excreted in the urine as usual, the nitrogenous waste products like urea build up in the blood. And this condition is called azotemia. Azotemia can be especially harmful to the brain, which is why the kidneys are so important. Another advantage of measuring the BUN levels is to determine the type of acute kidney injury. Now, there are many conditions that can affect kidney function. And one way to investigate or determine the cause of acute kidney disease is by calculating the BUN to creatinine ratio. If the ratio is less than 20:1, then it suggests that the cause of acute kidney injury is due to some form of intrinsic renal damage. The kidneys themselves have a problem. And this is categorized as intrarenal azotemia. So the kidneys have a problem. And by contrast, if the ratio is more than 20:1, then it suggests one of two things. Either that the cause of acute kidney injury is due to insufficient renal blood flow, which is categorized as prerenal azotemia because it's before the kidneys. The issue is not enough blood is going to the kidneys, or that some obstruction is occurring in the urinary tract, which is restricting urine flow, which is then damaging the kidneys. And this is categorized as post-renal azotemia, meaning after whatever is involved in producing urine. Now, in either case, notice that the cause of kidney injury is not the kidneys themselves. So it's either prerenal, something to do with supply of blood to the kidneys that is responsible for allowing the kidneys to filter blood, that's prerenal, or something that's obstructing urine flow, and that's post-renal azotemia. In both these situations, the BUN to creatinine ratio is going to be greater than 20:1. Now, before you get overwhelmed or confused, all of this will make more sense as we discuss each category with examples. Nevertheless, consider that the ratio is simply a tool to help identify the cause of acute kidney disease. So this was a short discussion on the different types of acute kidney disease. In the next segment, we'll focus more on the prerenal azotemia.